Is it wrong to order a stop snoring device for your spouse? Getting a good night's sleep can be difficult if your spouse has snoring problems. Nobody wants to insult the other person, but it's important to address the snoring problem and talk about buying a snoring device for your spouse. Snoring can cause arguments and affect the people around the person that is snoring. Fortunately, there are many different solutions that you can look to. The first solution is the sander pillow. This pillow is designed to make the person snoring sleep on the opposite side. While it doesn't prevent snoring completely, it makes the person close their mouth, preventing the sound from escaping. This is not effective for all people suffering from snoring. The most common solution is the nasal strips, which you can find in your local pharmacy. These strips open up your nasal valves and make it easy for you to get air into your lungs. You simply attach it to the middle of your nose right before you sleep, and the snoring will decrease. These strips are also used by people who are sick with a cold and congested or have allergies. Much like how nasal strips work at keeping your airway open, you can use nasal dilators. This stops snoring device is inserted into your nose. Some people may feel pressure in their nose from wearing the nasal strips, so they might want to try using the dilators as an alternative before they give up. Another stop snoring device is the anti-snoring mouthpiece. The mouthpiece correctly aligns your jaw and prevents your tongue from blocking your airways. This allows you to breathe a lot better and also works for people who snore because of sleep apnea. This solution is more expensive than using a nasal strip or getting a pillow, as you may have to have it custom fit. Similar to the mouthpiece, there's another stop snoring device that aligns your jaw and neck. It's a strap that you wear around your head and tighten. This can be a better solution for some people since they might not want to wear a mouthpiece while they're sleeping. The mouthpiece can take some time to get used to, and not everyone may feel comfortable using it. Finally, there is the sleep position monitor. Some people start snoring when they sleep on their back because their tongue falls to the back of their throat and it starts to block the airways. The sleep position monitor alerts the user when they sleep toward their back so that they can shift and go back on their side. So these are the solutions that are available for people suffering from snoring problems. Each stop snoring device has its pros and cons, so you should take some time to see how they work before making a final decision. Going through reviews will help you get a better idea of which device you should go with.